how to set up your IRS online account with ID.me. So what you're gonna have to do is just go to your preferred browser and search for irs.gov. So depending on your option and what you're going to choose, make sure you have a few things ready, which is in your case, and in our case actually, we're going with the desktop version. So make sure your mobile device is also prepared, since we're gonna need an SMS verification and in some case a few more. But once you're here in your irs.gov, go ahead to the sign in option here in the top right. You're gonna have to choose the individual option. So this is where you'll be able to create an account with ID.me. So it's over here. Either create a new account or sign in with an existing account. If you're choosing sign in, then it's already pretty much done at that point since you already have one. But if you want to choose this option, then you're just going to go ahead and proceed. So choose this option here, which is id.me, and then create an account. It's going to go ahead and load for a bit, but once that's done, you're going to have to put a few and actually a lot of details, which starts from your email. So make sure you have that email ready, your Gmail, since it's going to verify your Gmail. Put in a password and confirm your password. You can also toggle this on if you want, but you're gonna need to toggle this also. Now once you proceed, you'll get something like this, and at this point it's pretty much just following what they will request from you and just pressing on continue. So put in the details and put in whatever they ask. So in our case, we're gonna just go ahead and continue for now until our point is over. So at this, you're gonna have to confirm your email address as well. So put in the confirmation code that is sent to your Gmail or email that you used. If you didn't get the email, you can press on resend my verification, but just make sure the email you're looking at is the same one you used here. Then just go ahead and press on confirm code. So at this point, you're gonna have to secure your account. After this, it's pretty much very simple to do. So you could either use a passkey if you trust this device. You can use a text message, push notification, a code generator application from the ID.me authenticator app, a security key, and NFC enabled mobile security. So just go ahead and choose from whichever option you want. You can go ahead and register your device. Just go ahead and press on continue, but just go ahead and proceed with the prompts that they will ask for and do a bit of verifications, and you will be able to finish setting up your IRS online account basically with ID.me. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.